I'm just going to go through removing the call to action buttons in the top Navi bar. You may see like a client zone button. Now that'll only show up, I think it's for non-logged in members or general website guests only. So it probably you won't actually see it in the admin panel, but I'll show you how to get rid of it anyway. Once you just load the theme into the admin customization panel, just click on the Navibar menu and scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see these call to action blocks. Now one of them will be that members zone, so just click one of them and you'll see it here, client zone access and guests only. So as you can see, it's only going to display it to people who are not logged in. So if you're logged in, you will not see that button. So to delete that, it's simple, just as we normally do in the Premiere theme, just delete the block and then hit save. And that should actually remove that, and just double check it. If it still stays there or you can't find it, just yell out and I'll give you a hand.